So in the previous video, we have seen some of the methods by which we can change the properties of objects in AutoCAD. And this video is about changing the properties using a simple command, which is CHPROP. So using this command, you can change some of the most frequently used properties directly for any object. So let's assume that we want to change the properties of this part of the geometry. And for changing it, we'll use the CHPROP command. So let's type CHPROP, press enter, and now select the objects for which the properties needs to be changed. So in this case, I'll select all of these objects, including this line and this line, and now press enter. Now we have many options here like the color, layer, line type scale, line weight, and all of these options. So you can select any of these options, but in this case I will select the transparency because here the transparency is dim. You can see that the transparency has been changed to 70. So let's change the transparency first. So I'll select the transparency value, and you can see the current value of transparency in this angle bracket, so which is set to 70. Let's change it to 0 and press enter. Now press enter again to apply the settings, and here we have it. The transparency has been restored here. You can compare it with this drawing. So if you want to change even other properties, let's press enter to repeat the command. Once again, select the objects, and in this case I'll select only these two objects. Now press enter. Now let's change the line type. So select the L type option here and enter the name of new line type. So we have the current line type as bilayer. So let's type its name, which is hidden in this case, and now press enter. Now press enter again to apply the settings. And here we have it. The new line type, the hidden line type, has been applied here. In a similar way, you can even apply different settings or you can change them. So I'll press enter again to repeat the command. Once again, I'll select these two line types, press enter. We have now line weight, line type scale, and all the other options that you can obviously change. For this case, I'll select the line weight, which is now set to by layer. Let's change this value to 0.5 and now press enter and press enter again, and the new line weight is here. So this is quite an easy way of changing the properties without using the property panel, obviously. So even if you don't want to use the property palette or the property panel, you can use this CHPROP option to change the properties of different objects in AutoCAD.